Hello and welcome to Phone Transformer, the channel where we show you how to make the most of your smartphone. In this video, we will teach you how to love a text message on Android. First of all, you need to enable RCS chats on your device. Go to Google Messages, tap your profile icon in the upper right corner. Tap Messages Settings. Then tap on General, tap RCS chats and turn on the toggle. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open a message conversation thread in your Messages app. This is the app that you use to send and receive text messages on your phone. Step 2. To like a message, press and hold a message. This will bring up a pop-up showing several message reactions. You can see them at the bottom of the screen. They are icons that represent different emotions, such as a thumbs up, a smiley face, a heart, and so on. Step 3. Select the thumbs up reaction to like the message. This will send a small thumbs up icon to the sender of the message, along with a notification that you liked their message. And that's it. You have learned how to love a text message on Android. You can use this feature to show your friends and family that you care about their messages and appreciate their communication. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.